Hey, what's up, guys? Good afternoon. So we're here to do the randoms. Yesterday was I was super tired. Honestly, I wanted to do them last night, but I completely forgot. I was just thinking of closing the, the video. I just wanted to get to bed. All right. So the first card we're randomizing is this card right here, number to 399. All right. This card is between Edmonton, Montreal, Wild, and Nashville. All right. Oilers MTL Wild Nashville. It's going to be random 3 times. Good luck. That's un, dos, and 3 times. Winner is Wild. There you go, 3 times. All right, next up, Chicago and Pittsburgh, which is this beautiful card right here. Jonathan Toews and Evgeny Malkin, number 215, 14 of 15. Show you right there. Pittsburgh and Chicago. Alright, this is going to be random 3 times, guys. Good luck. That's 1. Chicago, 2. Chicago, can you go for 3? Chicago, 3 times. So that card goes to Chicago. Next up, we have, let's see what we got. Pittsburgh and Flyers. Pittsburgh and Flyers. This one's not numbered. It's Pittsburgh and Flyers. Alright, it's going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Flyers 3 times. Flyers 3 times. And this is the list of the to be determined card, which is this one right here. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Ultimate Collection Rookie Autographs, number to 299, to be determined rookie. Okay, just so you guys can see quickly, here is the list according to let's see, where did that list go? Down here. Here it is. Ultimate Rookie. No. This is what it is, okay? So, to be determined autograph redemption set, 12 possible subjects, specific rookie cards included. So, it's going to be basically these teams: Toronto, Nashville, Colorado, Tampa, Florida, New Jersey, Vancouver, Dallas, Minnesota, New Jersey, Toronto, and Chicago, which I have already copy pasted here. And this one's going to go 3 times, guys. Good luck. That's 1. That's 2. And 3. Minnesota. So whoever had Minnesota is going to get that card. I'll copy this. Oh, what am I doing? Sorry, guys, I forgot. I thought I was doing a Raz. So, yep, that's what it is. Minnesota will get the redemption. Again, guys, you guys are awesome. Let's check out the time real quick. It's 12:29. That's going to refresh in a second. Yeah, we'll do it for you. There it is, 12:29. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you guys' support. You guys are awesome. You guys have a great day. If I do not have your address, or if you think I don't have it, message it to me. Thank you very much.